Welcome to City Grill. My name is Rob Vore. In this episode, I'm going to show you a simple way to do blackened shrimp. And I'm going to do blackened shrimp on skewers. You know, I have some metal skewers. You can have some wood skewers. If you use wood, go ahead and soak them in water for at least 4 hours. But I'm going to use these metal ones. I like them because they're flat. Helps keep the shrimp from rolling around a bit. So it's real simple. I'm drying off the shrimp right here, and I'm just going to put it on the skewer just like so. Make sure I get both sides of that shrimp on there. And I can fit about 9 of these shrimp on a skewer. So I'll go ahead and put these on the skewer and finish these up, and then I'll go into the next step of this blackened shrimp. All right, so the next step, now I have all the shrimp on the skewer, I've melted some butter. I have some real butter in here. I just, you know, you could mix a little bit of olive oil and butter together, like a 50-50 mix, you know, 2 tablespoons. But I'm just gonna go straight up butter this time and basically coat this shrimp in that butter. And this is what's gonna make this shrimp taste just wonderful. So basically all I'm gonna do is coat this really well. Part of this is not only the flavor of the butter, but keeps it from sticking so bad on the grill, right? On the grill grate. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all the shrimp here. I'm gonna try to get both sides, right? And I know some of this is going down on the table, or on the tray here, so that's fine. I'm just gonna flip them over. I can grab some of that butter that's on the bottom there. I did run out of a skewer, so I had to get an extra skewer there. And go ahead and coat the other side. If I need to get a little more butter, I'll do that. And go ahead and finish coating the rest of these. Then we'll put on the blackening seasoning. All right, now that I have the butter on my shrimp skewers, it's time for the blackening seasoning. This is the best part. Now you can put as much as you want or as little as you want on the shrimp. And there's lots of different brands. There's a ZATARAIN'S Blackened shrimp. There's this Redfish Magic blackening seasoning. That's very good. I like this Bruckens one. It's called Muddy Creek. So basically all I'm going to do, or you can make your own, right? You can make your own. There's plenty of recipes to do blackening seasoning. So I'm just going to shake some on here onto the shrimp. I'm going to coat both sides really well with this blackening seasoning, and then we'll get ready to put it on the grill. Go ahead and flip some over here. I'll show you how that works. And I'll go ahead and finish the rest here. And then we'll get ready and light up the grill and put the shrimp on. Now you can stick these in the fridge in the meantime to help keep them cool before you grill them, which is perfectly fine. So I'll go ahead and finish the rest of these and we'll go out to the grill. All right, I'm out on the grill. My grill is like 375 to almost 400 degrees, so it's plenty hot, but that's what I want. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these blackened shrimp skewers right on this hot area of the grill. The burners are on right here. And I'm gonna let these cook for, I bet about 2 minutes. Then I'm gonna take a look at them and then go ahead and flip them to the other side, right? So I'll go ahead and place I had to get a wood skewer on there, that's fine. 2 minutes and then we'll take a look at them. All right, it's been 2 minutes exactly. So let's take a look here. Wow. This is exactly what I'm looking for. I'm going to go ahead and try to rotate my shrimp around. Oh, those look beautiful. Just like so. That butter's melted on there. That's going to taste so good. All right, let me go ahead and put this last one. Cook it another 2 minutes, and we'll be ready to go. All right, it's been another 2 minutes, total of 4 minutes, you know, with 400 degrees. Wow, this looks perfect. Those are ready to go. I'll go ahead and plate them up, take them inside. That's exactly what we're looking for. I might need to get my grill net on here. Be a little faster. Those look delicious. They're nice and opaque. Exactly what I'm looking for. They're gonna taste wonderful. Great with fettuccine alfredo or just straight up like this, you know. So get the recipe at citygrill.com. You're gonna love this recipe. A simple way to do a blackened shrimp on the skewers with some butter. It is excellent. I guarantee it. Again, get the recipe at citygrill.com and subscribe to my YouTube channel.